Today on I'm a Broke Bitch and I Need My YouTube Channel to Take Off, holes in your gloves and how bad it burns your fingers. Solution, put your old gloves inside your newer gloves and hopefully the holes don't line up.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
Okay, I got these upper pillars done. So we got those 3 in. This one is, built into that window. I was thinking of maybe using an old piece of the side here to do this piece because it has this little dippy-do and it rounds out. The dippy-do is the harder part to make, and if I have something that's already done, then we can just use that. It would just be the outside skin, so it'd have the little dip in there and then it would round out and feed in back into this piece. And I need to make like a pattern of what I'm gonna need here. I was also thinking with this piece that I can use it for the upper part of the doors here. I don't think I'm gonna have enough of this stuff left over to make the 3 doors, but I might have enough to make 2. This is one of the bigger pieces, and I think it only has enough room to make 1. But what I want to do is measure it to make the 1 piece for 1 door, and then I'll use whatever's left over to see if it'll work for these little insert pieces that I need to finish off those 2 with. So first of all, I measured from there to this part, so that's going to be our longest piece of it, and I think it was 38.5. Double check that, and then I'll just take some quicker cuts with the plasma and just cut some bigger pieces of it, and then go back in and trim it up later. Okie dokie. Let's see if we can focus on this right. Look at that beauty. Ooh. Dang. Somebody knew what they were doing. Gotta love that cleanup stage. Yeah. That's how you want it to finish out. So, it's gonna work. Turned out nice, I think. Now the only part I don't have is this little piece up here. So, once again, made a little template of the top part that I needed there. Marked it out on this old piece we cut out. And I want to get this lip here too. Make sure we line it up with our door there. And I want to use this little step because it'll make it look a lot nicer and more natural to have that line there. I've made it on the other ones, but it's kind of a pain in the butt. This little gap here needs to be filled in with, it goes all the way up and folds in on the normal piece, so we'll just have to make that. But we're going to cut it right there. That'll be our way to lay it in there. Alright. It's not done up there. I still haven't done the sides or the top or all that other jazz. But it does kind of give an idea of that finished product on one of these pillars, which is kind of been a lot, to tell you the truth. Has not been easy to keep that 1.5 inches all the way up there, but it's looking good. I'm getting there, slowly but surely. I'm going home with black boogers every night. Coughing up a whole range of shit in the middle of the night. But it is what we do.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.